Hey dudes, how's it going? You guys asked for it, so I'm back. By you guys, I mean just the one. Thanks, Claire. Nature with Ellen. The feline participates in a primitive scratching in which he attempts to bury the food. Unfortunately, this is a fridge, and he is unable to succeed. Let's see how long he'll go. Keep digging, buddy. You'll get there. His attempts are futile. Eventually, he relents and naps. This has been Nature with Ellen. Black Orphan Annie called. She wants her wig back. But seriously, making videos is hard to do when you don't do it. The past 2 weeks, because I haven't uploaded anything, apologies. I will be doing 3 review videos in the next few days. It's a big deal. Especially if you like my review videos. If you don't like my review videos, well then. I'm not sorry. I'm not going to apologize, so. I'm gonna go eat some fried rice. Fried rice, mother clucko. And that was my impression of a dog on a linoleum floor. Whap, 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 whap.